Well, I think I might have found a couple of more kings. Check these guys out. Let's not make the mistake we did last time. Oh yeah, they are kings indeed. Oh, hello. Hello, friends. Look at those guys. Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining me today. We're on Mount Hood today. It's raining. We got our first burst of rain. We're up at about 3,800 feet. We're hunting for Matsutakes. We're hunting for chanterelles. We're hunting for king porcinis. We had some luck yesterday in one of the campgrounds. We found some Matsutakes and some kings and a couple of chanterelles. But I'm optimistic that now we're going to be out and we're going to find some awesome mushrooms. So let's get out and have a good, safe hunt. Let's go. Check out these mushrooms that Bob just found. These are the hawk wings. They're growing all this long straight line. Bob's out there harvesting a couple right now. And a couple of young ones. Apparently these are really good while they're young.
Bad boy.
Nice, Bob. That's cool, man. So I just found a couple of these nice Lactarius. These guys are edible. I think they're Lactarius delicious. I'm not exactly sure, but I know they're Lactarius family. But these are good eaters here as long as we can get them when they're young and not full of worms. So this is a good one. Check this out. Here's another nice hawkwing mushroom. This guy. Oh, this is a beauty. No worms. Look at that. No worms coming through. It's almost got like teeth fungus like a hedgehog if you look close. But check that out. This is a beautiful, beautiful mushroom. It's another nice Lactarius here. So it looks like here. Looks pretty good to me. Package that dude up. Hey, look what I found. Fried chicken mushrooms. No kidding, right here. Check these out. These are fried chicken mushrooms. First time. Chicken of the woods. This stuff is, well,
decent shape.
No, it's old. It's old and too firm. But I think we could look around and see what else it might be fruiting. But yeah, that's way too mature. But still cool to find. Well, check this out. We got a few nice leftover huckleberries that are not gone yet. Nice little roach neck. We'll take it. So I found another interesting mushroom growing off of this log. Check it out. Look at this guy. I'm pretty sure this is an admirable bolete. Yeah, it is. Look at the red on the stipe here. Oh, but it's buggy. Look at all those bugs in there. That's gonna be a lever. Just leave him right there to do his thing. Check this guy out. This is a big, mature shrimp rusula. Give it a smell. Look at that. That's a beauty. No bugs or whatever. I think I'm gonna keep him. These are supposed to be really delicious. So here we go. We are back in the same campground area that we were hunting out 2 days ago. Walking in an area that we found a few nice kings 2 days ago. We kind of cleared through things. Check that out. Check it out. Boom. Look at this beauty. That is a fantastic king porcini. Perfect size. Look at that. Awesome. I'm still walking through the same camp. Check out these guys popping up. These are some sort of rusula. Not what we're looking for. But look at that. That is a king porcini that somebody came by. Wait a minute. This is not a king porcini. This is some sort of hedgehog. Look at the teeth under there. This is some sort of hedgehog. How about that? Why would somebody take this and just leave it here? Why? Why would you leave this? This would make a great meal right here. Awesome find. Pretty sure it's a hedgehog. I can see the teeth. We'll identify it for sure, but what an awesome mushroom. Thank you, whoever left it. I'll take it because I know what it is. Let's keep going. Look at all these russulas popping up along the creek. Some over there. Look at all this stuff. I can see lots of bumps and shrumps. This is pretty good stuff. Oh, look at that. Check this dude out. This is another admirable bolete. Look at how pretty it is. Look at that. It's not buggy, not wormy. What a beaut. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Not sure what this guy is. Oh, this is another king. Not old. May not be a king. It might be something else. Might be admirable based on its coloring on the stem, but it's a beauty. Look at that. No worms. Happy dude. This nice little open spot. There's gotta be something going on in here. Just think it. I smell it. I feel it. There's gotta be something in here. I don't know. Let's see what we got. I'd really love to find some chicken of the woods or some fried chicken mushrooms. Everything is wet. It's instantly fall. Oh, I think in another week, this place is going to be just popping with mushrooms. But just looking at it, the difference between what it was 2 days ago and today, unbelievable how many more mushrooms have just come up with 2 days of rain. So pretty optimistic that things are going to get better and better from here on. How cool is that? Come on, people. You left with your gelato. Nice little backpacking spoon. I'll keep that as a souvenir. That'll clean up just fine. Oh, look. Somebody left a bunch of painted rocks. All you guys that like the Portland painted rocks, check that out. Hands are getting cold. I think it's in the low 40s right now. It's kind of cold and my hands are wet, so there better be some. Wow, check out these conchs. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, this is a first for me. This is a first for me. These are Reishis. Look at those. Oh my goodness. These are supposed to be fantastic medicinal mushrooms. Oh, we're gonna have to get them. Well, check this out. Here's another admirable bolete. Let's see what this guy looks like. He might be wormy. Well, just a little. Let's see what it looks like through the top. Oh, oh, oh. Not bad. Let's keep him. something else right there too. See that one right there? That's something else. Probably a Rusula. We'll check it out. I don't know if this is a conch or... Oh no! It was a baby king, dang it! And I cut it. Ah! Rookie mistake. That's alright. It's a beauty. I thought it was just a Rusula. That was dumb. Don't make that mistake again, dummy. So check these guys out. These little dudes here. See these guys? Just ID'd these yesterday. This is a new one for me. These are called woolly pine spikes, I think. Pretty sure. They say they're edible, but they say that they're pretty bland and boring, so we're gonna leave them. Thought we were done with the kings. We're not done with the kings. Check this one out. This one's a little bigger. Look at this dude. Look at that mushroom. Look at this guy here. What a beast. Oh. Hello. Beauty. What a beauty. Well, we're wrapping it up for today. What an awesome weekend of mushroom hunting. We found several new species that are new to me, but I can't believe how many mushrooms are already popping up here on Mount Hood. What an awesome day. Thanks for joining me, Bob. Great mushroom hunting partner. Great to get out here. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Love the support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next adventure.